Most people wake up every morning, go to work, come home exhausted, and repeat the same cycle for years. Why? Because they were taught to work for money, not to learn how money works. Rich Dad believed something completely different. He said, "Don't work for money, work to learn." That one lesson changed everything. Robert once left a secure, high-paying job, not because he was lazy, but because he wanted to learn leadership. At first, it looked like a terrible decision. People thought he was crazy. But years later, that one skill became more valuable than the paycheck he gave up. One powerful skill can completely change your financial future. A talented writer without marketing skills may stay broke. A smart worker without communication skills may stay invisible. That's why rich people learn multiple skills: sales, marketing, leadership, business systems, money management, communication. Because income follows value, and value follows skills. Poor Dad believed security was everything. Rich Dad believed growth was everything. One stayed dependent on a paycheck. The other built freedom. Rich people understand giving. At first, learning new skills feels uncomfortable, like going to the gym for the first time. But over time, those skills become power. The biggest risk in life is staying the same. So don't just work for money, work to become more valuable, because the moment your skills grow, your entire future changes.